everyone. This is Teacher D in the house. I'm so happy to be here this afternoon with you. And I'm very glad to introduce my very first lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about the present continuous to express ongoing action. In French, je vais vous parler du présent continu pour exprimer les actions qui se déroulent au moment où même vous parlez. And you just need to have the verb be in the present tense. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, plus any verb with the ing ending, except the modal verb. For example, in French, I'd say je suis en train de vous parler. In English, you could say I am speaking to you. In French, you would say je suis en train de regarder la télévision. In English, you just say I am watching TV. Now that's it. I'm going to be showing you a list of verbs that you can practice on your own. Je vais vous montrer une liste de verbes que vous pouvez pratiquer selon votre disposition. Undress, loosen, unzip, unbutton, untie. For example, let's practice the first one, to undress. Pratiquez avec le premier verbe, undress. Regardez l'image et comprenez. I am undressing. I am loosening. I am unzipping. I am untying. I am unbuttoning. Now, there is another list I'm going to show you that you can practice on your own. Here's the list. Please practice, leave comments, and share any worries or any problem. I'm so happy to be with you. This was Mr. D, and I hope to see you next time with another class like similar to this one. Bye.